Okay, I'm in my girl's tree house. It's not actually in a tree. That's irrelevant. I just want to show you this plant, which is just so cool. It's called the sensitive plant, Mimosa pudica. It's sort of like a Venus flytrap, only it doesn't actually catch flies. Let me see if I can go in on its leaves. It's got leaves that look like a fern. So get a load of this, the sensitive plant. You touch it, the whole thing folds up. Alright, it's a bit more effective when you have someone else doing it. Let me get a good one for you. I just think it's the coolest thing. And there are little teeny tiny thorns on the branches. And so when they sit up here in their little jungle world, about 5 minutes later, by the way, all of this pops back up. I guess it's when, plant predators land on it. It shows the thorns better. There are the thorns, see? I think it's the neatest thing. But then maybe I'm just easily amused. Isn't this cool? I've never seen anything like that. Maybe I don't get out much. The sensitive plant. Thank you, Jay, at Burgess Falls Nursery, who said, hey, the girls need a sensitive plant. It's like, I don't know what you're talking about, man. Okay, I didn't say man. I never actually say that. But there, see, it's all folded up. Did I get them all? Fold up, you. Be sensitive. Oh, man, I'm sensitive. Look, I just said it again. Apparently, I do say man. Okay, sensitive plant. It's all folded up. You can go down even further, I'll bet. I command you, fold up. That's it. Yeah, if this was some documentary, I'm sure the time lapse would be super cool, but you get the idea, and it's really neat, and the kids like it. I myself am personally fascinated by it.